when they hired me, John said to me, listen, I've got 3 vacancies open right now. I can give you a choice of working on marketing, on biz dev, or on investments, right? And of course, for the first time, my little heat map word cloud went ding, 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 right? I heard the word investments. And so, there's this beautiful quote that the Cheshire Cat says to Alice in Wonderland. He says to her, she's lost. So she says, where do I want to, I don't know where to go, right? And the Cheshire Cat says, well, where do you want to go? And Alice says, I don't care much. And the cat says, well, then it doesn't matter which way you go. And it's, it's a kind of a children's story, but I think there's a real lesson there. It's really important to have plans. And the plan usually doesn't survive contact with reality. Mm-hmm. But in the absence of kind of like a master plan, mm-hmm. any opportunity can seem as good as the next. And for a career in finance, that's just not good enough. There are certain moves that you have to make or it gets very difficult. Yeah. And if you know what you want, and if you know what those moves are, even if you can't have it now, the next best move that's available to you becomes very clear.